Why is it every digital marketer on YouTube is already rich, confident and successful? Like bro, where's the content from the guy who is literally just starting, confused, broke and still figuring out what a niche even is? Yeah, that's me and this is the channel. Assalamu alaikum, I am Rohan. I am starting my journey in digital marketing from absolute zero. No course completed, no client, no money. Just me, Wi-Fi and a whole lot of curiosity. Why am I doing this? I have tried random stuff online before. Watched those make $100 a day doing nothing videos. Don't lie, you did too, right? But now I have realized I want to learn real skill and marketing feel like the right one. I don't want to bluff, fake success and act like I knew everything. This is my channel way of learning out loud, step by step. What can you expect from me? Raw behind the scene, what I learned and try. My wins hopefully and my failure definitely. Tool I test, tutorial I follow and listen from mistake. Basically you will see me building from scratch with honesty, humor and bad Wi-Fi. If you are also starting something online, learning marketing or just figuring stuff out like me, hit that subscribe or follow button. Comment below what are you learning. Let's help each other and grow together. Next episode we will learn the fundamental of digital marketing.